artificial intelligence.
AI.
It is big, interesting discussion in Poland. My students, my academic partner discuss what will be with us. Yeah? We see big strength of this knowledge. Yeah? How to make this in our bibliography, in our bibliography. You should inform me who is author. You don't know, maybe. It is anonymous. It is for science, it's a new challenge for science. How to how to find border between it is my knowledge or my mind and it is better. Yeah, but science is science. There are several aspects in business. Yeah, in accounting, in practical, in accounting, in finance, in banking. Big challenges for us. What will be with us after 5 years, 10 years? After your study, for example, yeah? Will be your profession attractive or not? Several people say, yeah, I try to make my activity in accounting. What will be after 3, 4, 5 years? Will be my profession, my job attractive for market or answer? I should all life to train, to evaluate, to learn more and more. This is my opinion. I am, despite of several skeptics, I optimist. Revolution. Each revolution has new challenges and new chances, new opportunities. And your opinion? Are you optimist?
Yes.
Yeah.
I am optimist.
Okay, good luck.
Yeah.
For you to use.
Yeah. Maybe your who will about this competences. How do you evaluate your chances